Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix phantom wallet failed to authenticate issue. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So now there are some of the reasons that can cause the issue. So first, what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead and check out and verify whether your device security system and the settings of your phantom wallet for that matter is correct and is enabled or not. For example, when I go to phantom app, I will have to provide my face ID for the logging in purposes. So check it out if that is working well or not, because as you can see, when I didn't scan my face over there, it showed failed to authenticate. So once you have done it correctly or have entered the password for you to get logged in, you shall be able to solve it. Next up is checking your internet connection, because that also plays a vital role. Because when you're trying to use your app and get logged in, if your connection of internet is not great, then you will be able to have that kind of problem, because you have been trying to log in while there is no internet connection whatsoever. The next thing is simply going to go ahead, if that also doesn't help, you're going to go to your app store to simply refresh your app by updating it, checking if there is an update available for the phantom itself. Go ahead, search it up, and then tap on it. If it says update, go ahead, tap on update, or you're good to go. Those are the things. If you correct it and you can add the correct information while logging in and checking your internet connection and everything, then you should not be able to encounter this kind of problem. You will easily be able to get logged in. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.